Drugs and alcohol abuse. This topic is not just important for exam. It can rule your life in a good way as well as in a bad way. In this video, we are going to understand the biology behind substance abuse, which will help you to make informed and responsible decisions. Welcome to SK Biology. Drug and alcohol abuse refers to the use of drugs or alcohol for non-medical purpose, particularly when their use becomes excessive or leads to dependence. An important point here is the word dependence. The problem is not only simply the presence of substance. The major concern is when its use becomes excessive and begin to affect normal life and health. The important question is, why do adolescents and young people becomes vulnerable to the drug abuse? The important reasons behind this include curiosity, experimentation, peer pressure, desire for excitement, and stress and emotional problems. Once person get affected to these drug and alcohol abuse, it affect mental health, physical health, and family life of that person. Let us understand all these drugs one by one. The first major group of drug is opioids. The important natural source we need to remember is the opium poppy. The scientific name is Papaver somniferum. Latex obtained from this plant is called opium. Opium contains several alkaloids. One important opioid obtained from opium is morphine. Morphine is a strong painkiller and is medicinally used as analgesic. However, repeated use and dependence leads to addiction of this drug. Another important opioid is heroin. Heroin is chemically called as diacetyl morphine and is derived from morphine. It is commonly known as smack. I repeat, it is commonly known as smack. Heroin is generally taken by snorting or injection. It acts as a depressant, meaning it slows down body function. Next drug we have is cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescence of cannabis plant. The scientific name is cannabis sativa. These drugs interact with cannabinoid receptor present in brain. Some form of cannabins are marijuana, bhang, charas, and hashis. Addiction to cannabis affect brain function, coordination, perception, and behavior of addicted person. Now let's move from cannabinoids to another well-known drug, cocaine. Cocaine is obtained from coca plant. The scientific name is Erythroxylum coca. As shown in figure, cocaine is a CNS stimulant, that is central nervous system stimulant. Unlike depressant drug, it stimulates increased activity of nervous system. However, cocaine abuse can have harmful effect like anxiety, hallucinations, and cardiovascular complications. Next group of drug, hallucinogens. These drugs alter perception, mood, and sensory experiences. The primary natural precursor source of these drugs is ergot fungus. Most powerful hallucinogenic drug is LSD, that is lysergic acid diethylamide. These drugs can significantly change how a person perceives and experiences the environment.